More jobs have come to Mesa, Arizona, with more on the way. Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation has officially opened its state-of-the-art Customer Service Center at Mesa Gateway Airport, marking a significant milestone for the company and the region. This $130 million investment has brought over 250 new jobs to the area, with an additional 100 positions expected to be added this year. Local and state leaders joined Gulfstream executives and employees to celebrate this grand opening with a ceremonial ribbon-cutting event. The 225,000 square foot facility can accommodate up to 13 large cabin Gulfstream aircraft simultaneously and provides a full range of maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for all Gulfstream models. This complements Gulfstream's existing Mesa West campus, which houses up to 10 more aircraft. Gulfstream's commitment to sustainability is evident in the design of the new service center, which is on track to earn LEED Silver certification. The facility incorporates energy-efficient materials, solutions to reduce power and water consumption, and even a 30,000-gallon tank dedicated to sustainable aviation fuel blends. To build a skilled workforce, Gulfstream has partnered with local educational institutions to offer apprenticeship and internship programs, further boosting opportunities for the community. With this cutting-edge facility, Gulfstream is reinforcing its commitment to top-tier customer service, sustainability, and workforce development right here in Mesa, Arizona. Stay tuned for more updates on how this new center is shaping the future of aviation in the West.
And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Klaus Team TV for the latest updates on Mesa real estate and community developments. And ring that bell for notification of all of our latest videos as we release new content weekly. And visit 85209.com or 85212.com for local news on the fly. Thanks for watching. Now go make it a great day.